Welcome back, everybody, and today we're going to go over the Harbor Freight Dollar Days deals that are going on from April 9th to the 22nd. So let's go ahead, and before we get started, I got a question for you guys. How have you guys been doing on your Spring Black Friday sale going on right now? As you guys saw in one of my videos, I picked up a bunch of pliers with it. Everything else I want is already out of stock, even though I was there as an ITC member on Monday. So some of you guys that aren't ITC, I kind of feel sorry for you because a lot of things got wiped out. It's another good reason to become an ITC member, but leave a comment down below. I'd like to know what you guys got for Spring Black Friday. Now let's get back to the dollar days. First off here, we got a Pittsburgh battery terminal cleaner for $1, 74% off. That is a smoking deal on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement Mini Pick and Hook Set, $1. This is a great stocking stuffer. I know that it's April, but if you guys shop early for your Christmas gifts or even birthday gifts, $1, 49% off. That's almost 50% off on that. And they got a lifetime replacement. I've used these before. I've never really had an issue, and if you do break them, go ahead and take them back. Then we got the 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape for $1, 66% off. Now, I used to use this a lot when I was in RCs. If you guys don't know, this channel used to be an RC car channel, and then I changed it to a tool channel. But when I was in RC cars, I would mount the receivers for the radios and the ESCs with double-sided mounting tape like this. Came in real handy for that. And then we got some Quinn Razor Blade 10-pack, $1, 49% off. Great time right now for consumables. Great time to pick up some of these razors. Starting off this row, we got a Gordon large snap blade utility knife for $2, but it's only 12% off. This is one of those, if you need it, get it. If not, wait till a better coupon comes out to get more off on it. Then we got another Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 12-inch gooseneck wrecking bar, $2, 49% off. Very nice. This is good for prying on stuff, or if you got screws you need to get out of wood, that's where this end comes in handy. Next up, we got the Storehouse 8-inch cable ties 100-pack, your choice of color. We got black or white on that, $2, 19% off. That's a good deal. And then right now is another good deal if you need a regular utility knife. We got the Gordon utility knife for $2, 19% off. That is a very good deal. Starting off this row, we got something very useful. We got the 200 lumen LED super bright flip light, $2, 33% off. I actually have one in my bedrooms of my house. For some reason, the closet does not have a light in it. Makes absolutely no sense. So this would be handy to stick in there to have some light in it. Then we got the Chicago Electric Power Tools 1/2 inch by 7 foot protective wire wrap, $3, only 14% off. Our threshold's $15. Close enough. If you guys need it, go ahead and get it. Then we got the Merlin 1/4 inch steel industrial quick coupler set 5-piece, $3, 39% off. That is a great deal on that. And then we got the 4-piece magnetic hook set for $3, 39% off. I don't think I've done a video on these, but I do have them. I use these. I got a metal rack, and I put them on the sides of it, and I hang all my funnels on it. And then I also got one on the side of my 5-drawer US General tool cart. And whatever car I'm working on, I hang the key on that. That way I know when I'm working on that car where the keys are, and I'm not digging around looking for them. They come in great for that. Leave a comment down below on what you guys use them for. Starting off this row, we got something good for you painters out there. We got the high density foam mini roller kit, 3-piece, $3, 24% off. That's a good deal. Then we got some more Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 7-inch wire strippers with the cutters, $3, 49% off. That would be another good stocking stuffer if you guys know anybody that works with that stuff. Then we got the Western Safety face shield with pop-up visor. This is $4, 19% off. That's an alright deal. Then we got a good deal right here on something useful for people who work on cars. We got the Storehouse cotter pin assortment 555 piece, $4, 27% off. Where I like these is, like, a lot of times if you got to take tie rod ends off or ball joints, of course they got a cotter pin in there to hold it so the nut don't move. And if you got to reuse the ball joint or tie rod in and not getting a new one, these come in great for that. And another one is like on golf carts I've ran into where I've had to replace the rear drums a couple of times. And if you got to take them on and off, they also got a cotter pin that uses a castle nut. So a pack like this comes in real handy for somebody like me. Starting off this row, we got some more consumables. We got the Bauer 6-inch hook and loop 6-hole pattern satin disc with whatever grain that is. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. 5-pack for $5, 22% off. And then you got all the different grits down here that you can get it in. There's a lot of offerings on that. Then we got an 18-inch by 72-inch non-slip toolbox solid liner. $5, 37% off. This is great. If you get a toolbox or a tool cart that don't have a liner in it, that's where this comes in handy. And they're very nice to keep your tools from sliding around. Then we got a Pittsburgh brake pad piston spreader for $6, 45% off. That is a great deal on that. If you can't afford a kit like the Icon one, I snagged it when I was on sale. But this is a great deal for something cheap to do if you do a lot of brake pads. That'll come in handy. Then we got a Warrior oscillating multi-tool blade set, 3-piece, $6, 39% off. Starting off this row, we got the Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub, $6, 39% off. That's a good deal. Then here's another good deal if you work on cars. We got or even tractors or anything else that has oil filters, that is. We've got the Pittsburgh Universal 3-jaw adjustable oil filter wrench, $7, 41% off. That is a good deal on that. Then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement. We got the 1/2-inch drive impact socket extension set, 4-piece, $8, 33% off. From what I've been told, I haven't personally used a lot of Pittsburgh impact sockets. I've got 1 for lug nuts and 2 for axle nuts. I've never had an issue with them. A lot of people like their impact stuff, so that might be a good buy right there. And then finally, we got the HFT 9-foot, 4-inch by 11-foot, 4-inch camouflage, all-purpose, weather-resistant 5mm tarp, $9, 33% off. And there you go. There is everything that we have for the dollar days. Now, let's take a look at some new tools, because I think some new ones came out while we're here. Alright, on the new stuff here, looks like we got some Hallmaster dual ball adjustable hitch, 6-inch drop, 5 1/8 rise. That's not a bad thing for you guys to have for $149.99. And then we got a Hallmaster RV trailer leveling blocks for $34.99. That's not bad. And then we got some new Doyle stuff here. Looks like we've got a digital clamp. Then we also have an auto ranging digital multimeter. There's the prices on those, $84.99 and $59.99. Not bad at all. Then we got some more stuff from Doyle down here. $34.99 for an auto ranging digital multimeter. $64.99 for the auto ranging digital clamp meter. And then we got $44.99 for this auto ranging digital clamp meter. Not going over a lot of this just because it's stuff that's new. I just wanted you guys to see it. Then we also got a Braun 2200 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED spotlight for $29.99. Then we'll go down to the next row here. We got a non-contact voltage tester with infrared thermometer for $24.99 from Doyle. And we got more Hallmaster. Hallmaster and Doyle got a lot of new stuff out. We got, let's see here, commercial duty ratcheted tie downs for $24.99. Then we have the 12-foot ratcheting strap 2-pack, 1,000-pound capacity on this one for $19.99. And then it looks like Hercules has a bunch of different wire reels that are brand new. Very nice on all of those. We'll just keep scrolling down. Central Machinery's got a 2-inch manual roller bender for $279.99. Bauer has a modular 2-drawer toolbox for $69.99. And then we got some more wire brushes. Looks like I could have swore these were not new. I don't know why they got the US General on here unless this is a higher pound than the other ones. But these are very nice too. $7.99. I would wait till those go on sale. Then it looks like Warrior has a chop saw or cut-off saw for $49.99. Pittsburgh's got a new oil pan. Personally, I do not like these styles. Then Hercules has a 3-inch random orbital dual action polisher backing pad. Then we got a 5x5 canvas drop cloth. Then I think this is pretty much where everybody knows where most of the new stuff is. You got the new colors for the US General stuff in purple. Then you got some 11-inch twist and cut table ties on this, and I can't speak. And then everybody already knows that Icon came out with the new wrenches. So let's finish this video. So there you go. There is the dollar days that are going on from April 9th to the 22nd. Some pretty good deals in there. Leave a comment down below on what you guys are looking at getting out of here. Some great consumables to get and some cheaper tools to get that have a lifetime replacement that would be good stocking stuffers on there. Also, are you guys interested in any of those new items I showed you? Leave a comment down below. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.